Annie. We're in Kyoto, Japan, and I'm about to show you our share house. Let's start with the back and show our bicycle parking. I don't know if the camera will catch this because it's pretty light, but it's raining.
Maybe.
So this is the back of our house. We have all of our bikes over here. And this is the windows to the kitchen. These is our like trash bins. Luckily, unlike most of Japan, we can just throw out our trash every day and not on a designated day. This house can house 26 people. So it can be fun times if you guys come here. This is the entrance. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock the house for now. This is the genkan, as they call it in Japan, in Japanese. Obviously, we must take off our shoes. Hi, Rain. Hi, Rain.
Nice.
Yeah, so we have an automatic lock. So,
Technology.
right as you come in, we have our first bathroom, toilet, which right now is, we're not using it because we're so little that it's a waste to use so many toilets and bathrooms. This is the first shower. They all look the same, so.
Except for this one.
Except for our great shower room. Hello, it's me. Of course, like a Japanese house, we have a bathtub. This is what you can do. So it's literally an ofuro. Here's like the panel controlling like the air inside here and everything like that. So that's super fucking cool.
That's kind of for the temperature of the room.
Yeah, and this is for like the actual water and stuff like that. So I'm going to return this because obviously no one's taking a bath right now. Yeah, okay. This is our lovely kitchen. It's huge, obviously, because we are potentially 26 people here. Fridges here, most of them are empty right now. This is where my stuff is. We also each get like, what would you call that? Like a drawer for personal stuff. My stuff is over here. Other stuff. This is it. This is my like spices and stuff like that as well. This is our inside trash cans. Once they fill in, we take them out of here. This is where we cook. A lot of times we just sit around here and talk or play games. From here, we have the hallway for the first floor. So yeah, it's all just rooms. So we do have the sink area over here. This is the biggest toilet we have. Oh, look, the light is on for us. Of course, it's Japanese
amazing
toilet. It's not like the super expensive ones where it literally opens up for you and says hello. No, it's not that, but it's good as well. Right now we have like 3 people on this floor.
And each room has a code.
Yeah, we have like these really clunky looking code pads. So second floor, this is where I live right now. For my friends and family who saw my old room, they know that I actually was on the first floor and changed to the second floor when I like almost just arrived here because second floor is better. Here's the laundry area. Recently we like actually labeled the rooms. Here we have some more showers. I don't know why. Maybe it's better to have it on like this, but yeah, I'll show this one. So yeah, these are the like small shower rooms. That's the ones I usually use because they are a lot smaller to clean as well. We have one room here which is also, so it does feel bigger, but like
This space here is an extra
this,
space.
yeah, but the squareage of it, the squareage is the same as all the other rooms.
They want to show upstairs so they see.
Sure, I was thinking about it since my room is
So
remodeled.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
the rooms have a loft, and that's where you would go upstairs, and this is where you would be sleeping. We have like because we have a loft, our lighting like turns on from here, but we also have a a remote, so we can take it upstairs here and control these lights. A lot of us took the bed down and sleep downstairs, and because I will not be opening my balcony, here's the balcony. Yeah, it's really nice view. So this is usually used for showcasing, so that's why it's always open. Before we go to the living room and like the area over there, I wanted to show my room quickly. So welcome. Whew, so nice. Welcome to my room. It's so pretty and clean because I cleaned it especially for all of you guys. Here we have 3 more toilets. This is my favorite toilet, but the best toilet is probably this one because it has a window. So yeah, this is a messy toilet because no one cleaned it yet. And of course, just like in the lower floor, we have, this is where we brush our teeth and wash our hands and faces. Now we're gonna go probably to the most populated area of the house. So it's only Kiki here, luckily. Welcome to our humble living room. This is where we can also sit and work. We have another fridge here and the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful couch, which we use for watching. Here's Kiki, beautiful Kiki. And yes, this is where we watch all of our movies and have all of our fun. Eat here, we watch movies here, we, I don't know, get drunk here.
And if you feel lazy, you can clean your dishes.
Yes, over there. I need to clean my dishes over there. So yeah, this is the last area of the house. And I think that's pretty much it for our house tour. It's very messy, but I'll have to do with that. So before I finish the video of my share house tour, I wanted to show my room a little more in detail. It's already evening and I changed to my pajamas already. But yeah, let's stop wasting time and I'll show you my room. So this is the front door, and as we enter, you'll see my closet on the left side with all of my bags and my switch on it. And right as you will come in, you'll see my bed, which I moved the futon / mattress from the loft above me to here. Because honestly, climbing this in the morning or in the evening when you're tired or drunk or just not in the mood to climb things is awful. So this is why I did that. I obviously also moved the ladder so it doesn't take as much space because usually it's diagonal. And right now it's more parallel to the walls. This is my yukata that I got for my birthday for my friends. I decorated my wall with pictures of everyone because I love them. And right next to it is my table, which usually would be located over here. So I moved it to here I put a cushion so it's a little nicer to sit on. And over here are my shelves with some stuff, daily life things. As you've seen in the model room, we all have balconies. I don't really use my balcony right now because it's too hot outside, and opening the door will only make the room super hot and humid. So instead I just use it for more things, and to also put the drying rack over here when I don't use it. And now I'll show you that the upstairs, the loft that's supposed to be for the bed, is now used, in this case, as a storage unit. Yeah, so this is the above. It's used as a storage unit, and that's actually not my stuff, that's my friend's stuff. And that's it pretty much. From now on, you might see videos of me sitting right here and this in the background, so hope you like that as well. Thank you for joining me for this share house tour. If you have any questions about the share house, do ask. If you want to see anything specific, do recommend. But I will do more videos about the share house. I have a lot of stuff coming up, so I hope you'll wait for that, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.